Hello class, today I'm doing my presentation on what do you believe is the future of marketing and advertising. My name is Jared Crow and I am a part of the marketing communications class. What is marketing and advertising? So I said marketing is the process in which a community or brand begins to promote and sell what it is that they have to offer or the service they're providing. This also is what marketing research is as well. Many companies and businesses use marketing as one of the many resources to promote and brand their business, bring their brand to the public. This method also brings in sales and increase them as well. Advertising has a very similar process, but with advertising you have to make and produce different advertisements for the company or business. These are those billboards we see and the commercials we watch on different brands and companies that we shop at. These are like McDonald's, Burger King, Foot Locker, all these things that we see on TV and television, and the things we also see on social media. Marketing looks into the information on what the consumer wants and needs. The changes. There have been many changes to marketing and advertising over the many years that there has been. For one, looking through the TED Talk, which was titled The Future of Advertising, in the beginning of the video, the narrator begins to ask a general question. This question being, do we think the future of marketing and advertising will be done by human creativity, or will it thrive off automated messages? We have something called transactional advertising, and this is the moneymaker in marketing in an up-to-date world in technology. Just 10 years ago, even 20 years ago, technology wasn't as advanced as it is today, so advertising through technology succeeds. Effects to the future of advertising and marketing. As the future of marketing and advertising continues and evolves, there are any good and bad things that happen with both of these methods. As digital advertising rises and becomes more successful, it's going to begin to have a strong hold on consumers, especially after the pandemic. During the pandemic, this began the rise of digital marketing and advertising method of branding for companies. In the future, marketing and advertising will begin to move as swiftly as technology and become the new way for businesses and companies to promote their services and products. Where we are today. In today's marketing and advertising, both companies and its products appear on many more platforms other than newspapers and television commercials as well. Nowadays, consumers will see advertisements not only on TV, but now that we have moved so swiftly into this new age of technology, we now see these different advertisements on our social media platforms and streaming platforms as well. The marketing strategy is in a way getting carried by the method of advertising, and marketing today focuses on the consumer information. How we react to things we see on our social media and the things we like on social media, things we also listen to as well. And with this information, we begin to see ads for the things we like specifically. That's where advertising comes into play. We advance so much with marketing and advertising in the way we portray these methods, as we see on our televisions, on our phones, and laptop screens as well. Advertising and marketing. I said advertising promotes product, company, shows on media, one-way media, and brings in consumer attraction. Marketing points out consumer needs, caters to consumer feedback, gathers consumer information, more than one type, and how to go about it as well. Final thoughts. As we conclude our thoughts on marketing and advertising, we can see that not the changes of these two, but the evolution of these strategies and how they will continue to evolve. As we look back into some of the research done on this topic, there was something said about the future of advertising and marketing, and this was how the narrator from The Future of Advertising talked about the reason for success in digital advertising. In our society today, there were many things that affected us negatively, but helped the field of advertising and marketing so well, and this is the pandemic. This allowed brands and companies to study and see what consumers like, what they frequently watch, and things of that nature. This is my works cited page right here, and I thank you for this presentation, and I thank you for this class. Hope we had a great semester, and have a great summer.